Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to block someone on your TikTok account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to block someone on your TikTok account, let's open up our TikTok app first. And after opening your TikTok app, the interface will be similar to this, where you can see the awesome content posted by per people on the TikTok community. Now to block somebody, you can see a profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on profile, and after that, first go further or find the profile of that person whom you want to block. Either you can search them from the home, you can search it from over here, type their name on the search bar and you can search them, or you can just go to the profile of yours and you can see the follower or the following option available over here. Tap on either one, which category your friend or the person whom you want to block is available on. For me, it will be this one, the I love BTS army. I want to block him. And on this interface you can see the three dotted icon on the top right corner of your screen on his profile. Tap over there, and over here again you can see when the dialog box appears just below the messenger, on the third line of the option there is the block option available. Tap on block and you can see the block again, and you can see he or she has been blocked. And then guys, this is how you block someone on your TikTok account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.